Okay, V60.
Hey guys, welcome to Rumble Coffee. My name's Stan, and today I want to take you through the method to brew a perfect V60 pour over. So what we're going to need today is scales with a timer. If you don't have a timer built in, you can use your phone. We're going to need a carafe and a V60. We're going to need the V60 filter, some freshly ground coffee, filtered water in a jug, a spoon in a bowl, and your vessel. So what you want to do first is grab your paper filter, place it in the V60, and we're actually going to give the filter a bit of a rinse. Take off any of that paper taste. It's also preheating the carafe at the same time. Cool. Once that's done, we're just going to empty it. At this point, you can actually place it on the scales. Grab your coffee. Now, the grind size that we're doing today is medium to coarse. It's most similar to regular table sugar or regular household sugar, white sugar. We're going to follow a recipe of 6 grams to 100 ml, and we're going to do a 2 cup today, so we'll go 24 grams in to 400 ml water. So grab your coffee, place it into the V60. Just give it a little bit of a jiggle around, and that's just going to level it out and get rid of any air pockets in the coffee. So with the filtered water, you've got 2 options. We want to have 95 degrees as our brewing temperature. So it's either you use a jug that you can set that temperature, or if you're just using a regular household jug, once it's boiled, wait 30 to 45 seconds, and that will pretty much be where we need to be. Now that the coffee's in, don't forget to tare. And what we're going to do first is we're going to create a bloom with about 75 grams of water, okay? And we just want to add it reasonably fast with a circular motion, and start the timer when you start the pour. Now grab your spoon and your bowl, and we're just going to dig deep now just to make sure that everything's been fully saturated. Cool, now we've hit 45 seconds. Grab your water, and we're going to add in the rest of the volume now. So what you want to do is have sort of like a slow to medium pour in a circular motion, and just sort of keeping the spout of the jug basically at the same height the whole time. We're pouring out to 400 ml total, or 400 grams, and I don't want it to happen too fast. Pretty good. Cool. Now that I'm at 400 ml, put the jug down, grab your spoon again. So what I suggest to do at this point is just give it a little bit of a mix in the middle, and then grab your spoon and just sort of take it around the edges. And that's going to pull any coffee that's sticking to the paper filter. It's going to pull it off and actually put it back into the brew. That down. So we're looking for a total brew time of around 2:30 to 3 minutes. And so now we wait. We're about midway through our brew now. So what I want you to do is give it a bit of a wiggle, and that pulls more coffee off that paper filter and also levels out the coffee that's sitting right in the base of the cone. Great, so our total brew time is 2 minutes 45, that's perfect. Grab your bowl, place the V60 in the bowl, grab your vessel. You might want to give it a bit of a swirl beforehand, and that's just going to make sure that it's all blended through properly. And enjoy.